the teaching and non-teaching staff. A round of applause, please. And then, as I call your name, please step up on the stage for Sashi. Okay, for the SPED, the chairman of SPED, we have Ma'am April G. Villacorte. For kindergarten, we have Ma'am Lizelle Y. Madugdo. For grade 1, we have Maribel C. Pilay. Grade 2, Chairman Marie Corazon and Aquino. For grade 3, we have Sir Adolfo D. Concepcion Jr. Yan po si Sir. Palakpakan niyo si Sir para kay pang-snacks kayo mamaya. Next, for grade 4, we have Ms. Jane Aika P. Martinez. Next, for grade 5, Chairman, we have Raquel P. Bravo. And for grade 6, we have Ma'am Emmeline Daisy Baliaga. And for the house, we have 2 teachers. We have Sir Jeffrey Orufin and Mark L.J. Estrada. And for the Muslims community that we have for Madrasa, we have Muhammad Manalinding, Shani M. Manalinding, Abdul Hakim Mandan, and Rufaida M. Saripada. Now let's go to our non-teaching staff. For our head teacher 3, we have Sir Noel P. Lupay. He's on the meeting, I guess. Next, for administrative officer, we have Ma'am Marilyn Manrique. Yan, kaway-kaway po ma'am. Live po tayo. Next, for ADAS or administrative assistant 2, we have Romina Angelica O. de Guzman. BDO, we have Ma'am Gemma Selvianin E. Baisa. For our guidance advocates, we have Melania Bintan. For our office clerk, we have Shane P. Robles. For our office aide, we have Marielle Lumana, Rachel Kilia, Marvin Babara, Arsenio Cajes. For admin aid 1 and admin. Next, we have security enforcer. We have Arya Lugasan, Arnel Pensan, Joseph Rashan Nasal, Michael Babal, Charlie Romano Sr., and Gregorio C. Didion. Next, for our Eric Miles, we have Francisco Dacera, Katrina Balahay, Mary Ann Bueza, Sanisa